Let's start with the basics. A GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice audit, is a systematic inspection of a manufacturing facility to ensure that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. These audits can be conducted by regulatory bodies, like the FDA, or by customers, or even internally. There are several types of GMP audits. Internal audits. These are self-inspections conducted by your own company to identify areas for improvement. External audits. These are conducted by third parties, such as customers or certification bodies. Regulatory audits. These are conducted by government agencies like the FDA to ensure compliance with regulations. So, how do you survive an audit? The key is preparation. Here are some crucial steps. Know the regulations. A thorough understanding of the applicable GMP regulations is essential. This includes staying up to date on any changes or updates. Document, document, document. GMP is all about documentation. Ensure that all your procedures, processes, and records are accurate, complete, and readily accessible. This includes standard operating procedures, SOPs, batch records, training records, calibration and maintenance records, deviation reports. Maintain a clean and organized facility. A clean and organized facility is a visual indicator of GMP compliance. Implement a robust cleaning and sanitation program and ensure that all equipment is properly maintained. Train your personnel. Your employees are your first line of defense during an audit. Ensure they are well trained on GMP principles, your company's procedures, and how to interact with auditors. Have a mock audit. Conduct a mock audit to identify potential weaknesses in your system and give your team practice in responding to audit questions. Be prepared for questions. Anticipate the types of questions an auditor might ask and prepare clear and concise answers. Honesty and transparency. Always be honest and transparent with the auditor. If there is a problem, acknowledge it and explain how you are addressing it. Corrective and preventive action, CAPA. Have a robust CAPA system in place to address any audit findings. This demonstrates your commitment to continuous improvement. Remember, a GMP audit is not about catching you doing something wrong. It's about ensuring the quality and safety of products. By being well prepared, you can demonstrate your company's commitment to GMP and ensure a successful outcome. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.